Hello students, today we will discuss the remaining part of the story which we discussed yesterday also. The Tiger in the Tunnel by Ruskin Bond. In our previous lecture we discussed that in the story Baldeo is head of the family. Besides producing rice in the fields, he works as a watchman at the railway station to look after his family. One day, Tambu, Baldeo's son, also goes with him to the railway station. And when at night Baldeo is about to leave the hut where he stays at night, Tambu gets up. He is awakened by the noise, and he insists to go with Baldeo, but Baldeo asks his son Tambu to stay in the hut, and he himself goes to the platform to check if the railway track is clear. So let us now discuss the remaining part of the story. Right before the train reaches the tunnel, a tiger springs into the entrance and charges at Baldeo. Right before the train reaches the tunnel, a tiger jumps over Baldeo. The tiger springs into the entrance and it attacks at Baldeo. Baldeo knows he cannot run from the tiger, so stands his ground. He doesn't move from there when the tiger attacks on him. He keeps his back to the signal lamp and brandishes his axe. He keeps his back to the signal lamp and brandishes his axe. Brandishes means he waves his axe in anger. When the tiger attacks Baldeo, he lunges to one side and manages to bury his axe in tiger's shoulder. When tiger attacks on Baldeo, he bends his legs and he prepares himself to encounter with the tiger. Then he buries his axe in the tiger's shoulder. The fire's glow only upsets the tiger more and it attacks Baldeo again. Baldeo jumps to the tiger's side and again buries his axe into the tiger's shoulder. With the blow of axe, the tiger gets more fires and it again attacks Baldeo. Baldeo jumps to tiger's side and again strikes his axe into the tiger's shoulder. This time, however, the axe lodges too deep into the shoulder blade and becomes stuck, leaving Baldeo defenseless. But when, for the last time, Baldeo strikes the tiger with his axe, it stuck too deep into the shoulder of the tiger that it becomes stuck there and Baldeo becomes defenseless. The tiger lunges at Baldeo one last time, finally managing to topple the defenseless Baldeo and rip him apart. Then when Baldeo becomes defenseless because the axe with which he encounters the tiger, when that axe stucks deep into the shoulder of the tiger, he becomes defenseless, and then tiger again jumps at Baldeo and then finally managing to topple. Topple means Baldeo becomes overbalanced because the tiger jumps over him. And then the tiger, after jumping over him and making him overbalanced, then rip him apart. To rip apart means tear into pieces. And then the tiger tear Baldeo into pieces. He cut him into pieces. Cuts him into pieces. The tiger is so strained from its battle with Baldeo that it does not notice the fast approaching train. There is no place for the tiger to escape to, so it rushes into the tunnel with the train hot on its trail. The tiger was so busy in his battle with Baldeo, in his battle with Baldeo, that it doesn't notice the train which was approaching towards the railway station with a fast speed. So there was no possibility for the tiger to escape from that train, and the train crushed him, and the train finally exits at the other end of the tunnel, and everything is silent. And because there was no possibility for the tiger to escape from the fast coming train, so it is crushed under the train, and the train finally exits at the other end of the tunnel. Then everything becomes silent in the tunnel. When the train driver inspects his headlamps at the next station stop, he finds nearly half of the tiger's body stuck on the train and realizes that the tiger must have been dissected by the train's engine. When the train reaches at the next station, the driver of the train observes that half of tiger's body was stuck on the train, and he thinks that it must have been dissected. Dissected means cut up, cut into pieces, that it must have been cut up by the train's engine. Though the train driver is shocked and amazed at the find, Bond contrasts this amazement with Tambu's shock back at the tunnel. Tambu has arrived at the tunnel to find his father's broken body. The crying child remains with his father's corpse all night to protect it from scavenging animals like hyenas. The train driver becomes shocked when he observes the cut up body of the tiger. His feeling of shock is contrasted with the feeling of amazement of Tambu, who is in shock at the tunnel. When he arrives at the tunnel to find his father's body that was cut into pieces, the crying child remains with his father's corpse all night to protect it from scavenging animals like hyenas. When Tambu sees the body, the cut up body of his father, he is in shock, and he keeps crying for whole of the night, and he tries to protect his father's body from the scavenging animals. Scavenging means wild animals who can harm to the body of Baldeo's father, to Tambu's father's body. The next day, Tambu's family mourns Baldeo's passing. They continue to mourn for the next 2 days as well. When next day the body of Baldeo is taken home, then whole family members mourn, means they show their grief and they cry over the death of Baldeo for next 2 days. Once the mourning is over, Tambu takes up his father's job at the tunnel. ensuring that the signal light is always that the signal light is always lit and that there are no obstructions in the tunnel itself. And after 2 days and after the mourning over the death of Baldev for 2 days, Tembu decides to take up his father's job of watchman at the tunnel, ensuring that the signal light is always lit and there are no obstructions, no hindrances in the tunnel itself. Means the railway track in the tunnel was clear. The reader finds that the family's safety and survival has now fallen on Tembu. After Baldew's death, the responsibility of whole family comes upon Tembu, the son of the family. Tembu, however, doesn't seem afraid. He is also brave like his father. He had his father's axe after all, and Tembu knows how to wield the axe. He also knows how to wield means how to hold and use the axe like his father. Bond's story highlights the theme of protection and protection in relation to family in several ways throughout the piece. First, Baldev knows that his family cannot exist solely from what the small rice field alone produces, and so takes a job as a watchman despite the perils. The story written by Ruskin Bond, The Tiger in the Tunnel, it highlights the theme of protection in relation to family in several ways throughout the piece. First, when Baldev thinks that he cannot look after his family only with the produce in the fields, he starts the job as a watchman at the railway station. Baldev, as most of the villagers know, understands that there are dangerous animals about, but he believes in himself and ultimately knows he must perform his duty to ensure his family's well-being. Although he knows that there are some wild animals at the railway station, near the railway station, but he behaves courageously. He does not afraid from all these things. He thinks that he must perform his duty to ensure his family's well-being, to look after his family. So he is dedicated towards his duty for his family. As such, Baldev meets danger head-on each night as he goes to check the signal lamp. Every night he has to go to the tunnel to check the signal lamp lit up. So he takes risk every night. His family comes first, but Baldew's actions also highlight the larger scope of protection as he is keeping the tunnel safe for the overland mail train. The actions of Baldev shows that he keeps his family on the first preference, but he also fulfills his duty to check the railway track and the tunnel clear. Baldew's actions show that he is watchman for both the public and private sector of his life. Means he is a watchman at the railway station to check the clear railway track for the coming train, and he is also watchman of his family. Means he is a dedicated person towards his duty and towards his family. The theme of the story comes full circle when Tembu takes up his father's mantle. Mantle means his father's dress gown by taking the job as watchman As such, he is the provider for his family, thus the protector as well. In addition, he now protects the train. The ending alludes to the fact that Tembu now has the same confidence that Baldeo had. Tembu, son of Baldeo, is also same confident as his father. More importantly, Tembu's role as protector shows that duty, courage, and confidence are all necessary traits. Traits means characteristics, qualities in ensuring survival for Tembu and his family, and for ensuring survival in a world that can often be harsh. More importantly, Tembu's role as protector when he takes up the job of his father, when Tembu takes up the job of his father as a watchman, it shows the qualities of duty, courage, and confidence in Tembu. And all these are the necessary qualities which are very necessary, which are very important for survival for Tembu and his family, and for ensuring survival in a world that can often be harsh, as it is for Baldeo and Baldeo's family after him. So students, today we have completed our story. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you very much.